Welcome to RPA. In this video, we'll discuss about UiPath build data table. Whenever we are working with rows and columns, data table plays a very important. Here, we'll use first activity as build data table, where we are creating data table column name. First column, I wanted to add as a customer name that is in string. Second column, I want as customer address. That is again a data type of string. Allow null as of now by default. It's checked. It means we are able to accept the null value as well. So first customer name is Raj. Location is Goa or address is Goa. Second, I wanted to add as Ram, where the location is Delhi. Whichever columns you want, whichever rows you want, you can add it. And these informations will have listed in any Excel file wherever we wanted to store, or if you wanted to perform some operations, that can also be doable. Here I'm adding few details so that we can use these data to make it for our video. Post doing that, I will save it and then we'll create one variable. We'll store the value in this variable whenever the automation will run. Now, next activity I wanted to use add write range workbook, where we'll store same detail into customer data.xlx. Sheet I wanted to add sheet 1. And finally, we'll use same data table as their input. Here I wanted to include as headers. So headers will be added. Now when I will run, a new Excel sheet will be created. Whichever data we have in data table, that will get stored into the Excel file. And whenever I will open the Excel data, we'll have those data available. Here you can see when I will refresh my projects, customer data XLS is generated or created. When I will open, I can see those values are listed into my Excel file. I wanted to change or add new column, that is customer ID. And ID should be in integer. Allow null is fine. We wanted to just drag and drop ID in first place. We'll add few of the IDs of all those names so that we have those columns available at the time of executions. So you can see it's very quick and easy for adding new column and doing the modifications. Auto increment is good. Whenever we'll add new value, it will be auto incremented as a name of ID. I'm adding few more IDs so that we'll have some data to be play around it. Now when I will run, I will see the result. I'm opening the Excel file to see the value which we have just inserted. So in customer ID, you can see we have added till 108. Because of the auto increment, whichever fields we have added, we'll see that value will be listed. I want to add another column which contains product name and default product value will be laptop. You can see here all those values are listed as laptop only. Here you can see when I will tap a new product name, it will be auto incremented. So customer ID will automatically added without doing anything. And when I will run this code, exactly same information is also written in my Excel file. See this. Here we have plenty of records generated which contains the laptop as a product name, customer locations or address, customer name and customer ID. We can always play around with build data table where we don't have to do much thing. We don't have to do much automations. We have to just change the settings and property, and accordingly we'll get desired result. Now, a new column I wanted to add as order date. This order date will be added, and here I don't want to accept null value. That's the reason I checked it. I'm just trying to add dates to all the products because we have selected allow null. That's the reason it is allowing us to save it. This time when I will run, I can see date is also added in my Excel file. So this is the beauty of UiPath where you can do anything according to your project without writing a single line of code. Now I wanted to apply as for each row in data table. We'll use same as DT customer data, and inside the body we wanted to use write line activity. So this write line activity will print current row dot to string. We wanted to convert those, and here we'll comment out the right range workbook. Whenever we'll run the code, we'll have the output generated. Now you can see all those values are get printed. Whatever we have added, customer name, customer address, product name, and everything will get printed. Because we have added row 0, that's the reason it got printed 0. Let's make the changes. Instead of array, we wanted to use customer name. The customer name will get printed this time. So whichever value you want to print it out, you have to make or modify those value, and accordingly you will see blank rows because we have added ID. Because of this ID, we will get those informations printed. So these are the modifications which you can do it, and accordingly you can expect the results. That's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. And if you want to learn more concept on UiPath and data table, feel free to refer my other playlist or other videos which will help you to make you understand the complete UiPath. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.